Experience the new premium toolboxes, powered by KS Tools. Our foundation, over 20,000 units sold per year. Our mission, the best toolboxes for mechanics in the manufacturing, motor vehicle and commercial vehicle sectors, and for all high-demand individuals. Our goal, to redefine the premium class of toolboxes. Over 45,000 different premium tools for professionals. Our high-performance production facilities worldwide form the basis for the global success of KS Tools and the best conditions for Performance Plus. Timeless design, excellent quality, perfect workmanship. The only way to create toolboxes that will last for generations. Our quality standards, extensive testing for all casters, 30,000-fold draw testing at maximum load, 48-hour continuous load testing of all components, maximum safety during shipping, 100% individually tested. A personal performance assistant for 24/7 support. Your selected inserts pre-positioned in the drawers. Completely assembled, including casters. Clever ideas, smart solutions. Our P10, for example, has a stainless steel surface. Heavy-duty anti-static casters with brakes. Integrated edge protection. Extremely high-strength drawers. An exceptional load capacity. As well as clever special features like a can holder, a paper roll holder, and the intelligent 2-in-1 duo lock closure technology. The choice is yours. Open a single drawer to minimize risk of tipping, or several at the same time for maximum access. With each toolbox, you will be able to unleash the performance you need for your work. Whichever one you choose, Performance Plus will support you throughout your working life. Of course, only the best tools can be considered for Performance Plus, our own. The result, carefully thought out inserts for all areas of application, pre-positioned in the toolbox of your dreams. From the initial idea to the final check, we do everything we can before the shipping carton leaves our premises, because we deliver even more than we promise. Performance Plus is as unique as you and your work. Performance Plus is when your work makes you proud like never before. Performance Plus is the proof that anything is possible. Are you ready?